Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we are going to learn this and that. We use this and that to point to people, places, things, or ideas. Let's look at some uses for people. This is my friend. That is my teacher. For things, this is my pen. That is my bag. For places, this is our school. That is the library. We can also introduce something. This is John. That is an idea. We can describe or identify something. This book is very useful. That movie was very exciting. Look at the examples on the right. This is my pencil. That is her bag. This book is interesting. That movie was amazing. I like this song. I don't like that one. Remember, this shows something near you. That shows something far from you. Let's learn more in the next slides. This and that, we use this and that to point to singular nouns. Let's look at this first. We use this to talk about something near us. For examples, this is my book, this is my friend. Now let's look at that. We use that to talk about something far from us. For examples, that is my car, that is our school. Remember, for near object, you use this. For far object, you use that next. These and those now, let's learn about these and those. We use these and those to talk about plural nouns. Let's look at these first. We use these to talk about things near us. For examples, these are my keys, these are apples. Now let's look at those. We use those to talk about things far from us. For examples, those are birds, those are houses. Remember, if we are talking about near group, use these. If we are talking about far group, use those. To summarize, use these for things near you, and use those for things far from you. Next, let's do some comparison. Now let's compare all four words. Look at the chart. We have near and far. We also have singular and plural. For singular and near, we use this book. For singular and far, we use that car. For plural and near, we use these books. For plural and far, we use those cars. Let's review. This and these are for things near us. That and those are for things far from us. Let's check the examples here. This is my phone. That is a beautiful view. These are my friends. Those are the mountains. These are real-life examples we use every day. Great job. Today we learned this, that, these, those. We learned that. This is for something near us. That is for something far from us. These is for things near us. Those is for things far from us. We also learned that this and that are used with singular nouns. These and those are used with plural nouns. Thank you for learning with us today. See you in the next lesson.